Heading across the Tasman Sea, ex-tropical cyclone Debbie has wreaked a 1 in 500-year event in New Zealand. The town of Edgecombe had to be evacuated after floodwaters surged through its streets, and 2,000 inhabitants of the township in the northeast of the North Island had to be evacuated by jet boats. Farm vehicles and a school bus were also used. The water reached halfway up people's windows and a number of houses were destroyed. Look at that water. Incredible. Since arriving in New Zealand on Tuesday, the weather system that was Cyclone Debbie has brought massive amounts of rain across much of the country. To international news now, and in the Midlands of the United States of America, a series of severe thunderstorms descended, bringing large hail, powerful winds and flooding rains. Tornado warnings were issued in several counties, including in Lexington and Edgefield, and hail the size of ping pong balls was reported in some areas when the storms went through. Torrential rainfall led to flash flooding, with some streets inundated. At least 500 millimetres of rain fell in 1 hour over Columbia. In Lexington and Richland County, the floodwaters led to people being trapped in their cars and several streets had to be blocked. And they also had reports of a small sinkhole which caused crews to block one lane. Tornado watch that had been in effect for all of the Midland counties has now been dropped. And in Chicago, there was choppy surf all along the lakefront due to strong winds at Lake Michigan. And there was extensive damage in other Midwestern states as well when those strong winds and tornadoes were experienced. In the downtown areas of Chicago, there was cracked glass on some of the high-rise buildings, and that prompted police to close a number of nearby streets as a precaution. No injuries were reported, thank goodness.